Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find working coupon codes for online shopping, so make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. Let's say you want Nike coupon codes. So what you're going to do is head over to Google and search for Nike coupon code, just like so, and you'll see a bunch of website that comes up. So let's say we click on this one, and this is by the Nike one themselves. So you'll see that they have a bunch of discounts over here. You can check all of them out, and then they'll also have a Black Friday sale, things like that. And then Los Angeles Times is another one. So if you head over, you can see it says view coupon. If you click on that one, you're gonna copy this one and then put it to whatever checkout you're going and just paste it. So basically what you need to do is head over to Google and search for Adidas coupon code, just like that, and then the websites will come up. All you need to do is head over to that website, and then you'll see that you'll have all of this coupon. Just select whichever one you want, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.